Hello students, today we'll be learning about trigonometry in this video. So let me just give you the basic concept, okay? Today we'll be learning about the basic concept of trigonometry. So let us see how this trigonometry is derived. This trigonometry is derived from the Greek letter what? Greek letter what? Trigonometry. So tri means what? Tri means 3. Gon means angle, or you can even take the sides. Metry means measure. So what is your trigonometry? It is 3 angle measure, or you can say as 3 sides measure. So now 3 angle measure or 3 sides measure, that is your trigonometry. Now whenever you come to your trigonometry chapter, will be consider one triangle, and that triangle to be a right angle triangle. Let me draw one right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. I'll put here 90 degree. So out here it is 90 degree. So this become your right angle triangle. And in class 9 you have already done your right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem. You know what is hypotenuse, what is base, what is perpendicular. So in this triangle, if you look, this will be your hypotenuse, this will be the base, this will be the perpendicular. Now if I put my theta here, this will be the base. Now the same triangle I will consider. I will change my theta to the other side. So let us see. One more triangle, let me draw. So again, this is your same right angle triangle. Now let me put my theta here. So whenever I put my theta here, so your hypotenuse will be the same. Hypotenuse will be the same. Where is your base? The base should be very near to theta. So this will be the base. This will be the perpendicular. I hope so you got the concept. So you please remember that whenever theta is here, this will be the base. And whenever theta is here, this will be the base. So the main concept is that the base and the theta should be nearby. Base and the theta should be nearby. Now let me go to the next portion of this. That means we'll be discussing about the trigonometric ratio. What are your trigonometric ratio? There are 6 trigonometric ratio. So let us see trigonometric ratios. We'll be discussing about your trigonometric ratios. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Let me write down the first 3 trigonometric ratios. First one is sine theta. Sine theta is P by H. P by H means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then next cos theta. Cos theta is B by H. B represents your base. Please keep that in your mind. Next you have tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Now there are 6. So what you will be doing is that you try to remember the first 3. Trigonometric ratio. Once you remember the first 3 trigonometric ratio, it will be easy for you to remember the next 3 trigonometric ratio. Now, how to remember this 3 trigonometric ratio? So I will be giving you one rhymes to remember this 3 trigonometric ratio. So how you can remember is this way. Some people have curly brown hair turning permanently black. Let me just note it down here. Some people have curly brown hair. Some people have curly brown hair turning permanently turning permanently black. So if you can remember this rhymes, you can remember this ratio also. See here, some people have, you take as means sine. Sine theta is equal to how much? B by h. Cos theta is equal to B by h. Tan theta is equal to B by B. So with the help of this rhymes, you can remember the first three trigonometric ratio. After you have remembered the first three trigonometric ratio, the next three trigonometric ratio can be derived from the first three trigonometric ratio. Now from here, I'll be getting, if I take the reciprocal of this, I'll be getting the next trigonometric ratio. That is your cot theta. So your cot theta will be how much? Cot theta will be B by P. Now if you take the reciprocal of cos theta, you will be getting your sec theta. What you will be getting? You will be getting your sec theta. So what will be your sec theta? Your sec of theta will be how much? H by B. It will become H by B. Then you take the reciprocal of sine theta. When you take the reciprocal of sine theta, you will be getting what? You will be getting cosec theta. So what is your cosec theta? Your cosec theta will be H by B. H by B. Now out here, this sine has been derived from the word sine. This cos means cosine. Cos means what? Cosine. Okay, actually this sine of theta, cosine of theta. But whenever we write down in terms of notation, we'll just write down sine theta, cos theta. That way. Now this tan has been derived from the word tangent. Tan means what? Tangent. When you say cot, cot means what? Cotangent. Cotangent. This is your cotangent. Now sec means what? Secant. Sec means what? Secant. And finally, cosec means what? Cosecant. It is what? Cosecant. It has been derived from the word cosecant. So whenever you say sine theta, this means sine of theta, this means cosine of theta, this means tangent of theta, this means cotangent of theta, this means secant of theta, this means cosecant of theta. I hope so this trigonometric ratio is okay for you. Let me go to the next formula, that is called your reciprocal relation. That is called your what? Reciprocal relation. There are 6 reciprocal relations. So let me just note it down. And I'll explain you there only the reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation. So there are 6 reciprocal relations. How many reciprocal relations are there? 6. So let us see here. The first one, sine theta. What is your sine theta? 1 by cosec theta. Your sine theta is what? 1 by cosec theta. Your cos of theta, your cos theta is what? 1 by sec theta. Then next, your tan theta. Your tan theta will be how much? Your tan theta will be 1 by cot theta. Now, sine is 1 by cos, cos is 1 by sec, tan is 1 by cot. When you remember this 3 reciprocal relation, the next 3 is very easy. With the help of this, you will be getting the next reciprocal relation. So what you do is that this cosec you bring it here, this sine you bring it here. So you got your cosec theta. So what will be your cosec theta? Your cosec theta will be how much? 1 by sine theta. So you got how much? 1 by sine of theta. Now similarly you do for this. So when you do the same way, exactly in the same way, the way you have done for the first one, you do for this also. You will be getting what? You will be getting sec theta. What is sec theta? 1 by cos theta. Your sec theta is what? It is 1 by cos theta. And finally, what will be your cot theta? Your cot of theta will be what? Your cot of theta will be 1 by tan theta. Actually, this reciprocal relation has been derived from the trigonometric ratio only. It has been derived from the trigonometric ratio. So you can just remember the first three, the next three you will be getting from the first three. I hope so you are okay with this. Now we'll be moving to the next formula, that is called your quotient relation. So let us see the last one, that is called your quotient. That is called your quotient relation. There are two quotient relations. How many quotient relations are there? Only two. There are two quotient relations. So let me write it down. The first one is tan theta. What is tan theta? It is sin theta by cos theta. So your tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta. Then next, cot theta. What is your cot theta? It is cos theta by sin theta. So students, you kindly go through this formula. So in the next video I will be teaching you how to use this formula in solving the problems. Thank you.